30 years ago, in the heart of the Asian century, a financial tempest brewed, threatening to sweep away decades of economic growth. This was the Asian financial crisis of 1997. In the bustling city of Bangkok, Thailand, the signs of prosperity were everywhere. Skyscrapers towered above the city, reflecting the country's burgeoning economy. However, beneath this facade of success, a dangerous imbalance had taken hold. The Thai Baht, the country's currency, had been overvalued for years, which led to excessive borrowing and speculation. When this unsustainable bubble burst, panic ensued. The Thai Baht plummeted, sending shockwaves throughout the region. The domino effect was swift and brutal. Neighboring countries like Indonesia, South Korea, and the Philippines were also grappling with their own currency crises. The contagion spread, infecting economies that had been intertwined by a web of trade and investment. The International Monetary Fund, IMF, stepped in, offering bailout packages to the affected countries. In return, these nations were forced to implement harsh austerity measures, causing widespread poverty and social unrest. In South Korea, the crisis led to the fall of President Kim Jong-sam's government. The new administration, under President Kim Dae-jung, embarked on a series of economic reforms aimed at stabilizing the economy and restoring confidence. Across the region, the crisis exposed the vulnerabilities of Asia's tiger economies. It forced governments to reconsider their economic policies and led to a greater emphasis on financial regulation and transparency. The Asian financial crisis was a bitter lesson for the region. It showed that unrestrained capitalism could lead to devastating consequences. But from the ashes of this crisis, a new era of economic cooperation and integration began to take shape, paving the way for Asia's continued rise in the global economy. In the end, the Asian financial crisis was a turning point, a storm that upended the region's economic order but ultimately led to a stronger, more resilient Asia. The lessons learned from this crisis continue to resonate today, serving as a reminder of the delicate balance between growth and stability.